Hey YouTube, what's up? So I'm at the lathe today. I got these little knobs I can't find anywhere. They're for a piece of furniture that I just redid. Let me see if they're seeing that. Yeah, it's a little knob. Can't find it. I'd have to special order it somewhere if I could find it. So what do when you can't find something like this? You make it. So here I am at the lathe. I have a piece of, I think it's desert ironwood. Turns up really pretty. Let me bring you over here. This is it here. So it turns, it starts out as a square. Kind of like this. This isn't it, but like this. Sorry. Like this. Starts out. You round it up and flatten the face, and then start working your profile. Sorry, I'm moving you all around. I'm just trying to find a spot to keep you. So what you do is, I'm getting a couple out of this blank. I already did two. Just got to adjust your tool rest. And doesn't take long. Turn it on and I don't turn a lot anymore. I used to turn a lot more. I don't turn much anymore. So what I'm doing, I don't usually talk when I'm turning too. Let's see if I can zoom you in. So I'm trying to, there's this little dish in the base of the knob. Putting that in. I kind of could turn anything style-wise, but I really like these knobs. I just can't do the detail work inside of the knob. These knobs are brass of some sort. But I like the initial detail of them. And there's really every one of them is going to be different. I need 4 of them because I'm doing them by hand, right? Let me pause you for a second and flip this stuff around. So I turn my tool rest. This is a tool rest. I have my calipers. I want to establish the length of the knob. So I take them, got my little points, put them on there, make a mark. Probably can't see it. I'm not moving the camera. This really isn't a how-to. It's more of a, I don't know. I'm doing it. And then you just shape the I'm dishing out the stem of the knob, this part in here. And it's just, working the tool back and forth, taking your time because this is really delicate. So you want to take really light cuts. Stop every once in a while, check your progress. I'm gonna pause you because this is kind of like tedious and slow. Be back. So I got that part done, and then you just start sanding. It's the fun part. Not really. So I'm just sanding up through the grits, and I'll wind up at 2,000. 2,000. That's right. Just go through them, and I'll bring you back when I'm done, because you don't want to watch me sand. It's boring. Be back. So I'm back, sanded. Now I'm going to put finish on it. Boom! So this finish is a friction polish, and just as it suggests, you need friction to cure it. The camera's kind of hard to see it too. Trying to focus, but man, it don't want to focus. Don't want to focus. Come on, little camera. There it goes. And now you just part it off. Boop, and then you're done. Parting it off is always the nerve-wracking part. Just like that. Boom. There it is. One more to do. Here's the finished knob. Boom, boom, boom. So here's the drawers that they're going into. This is the original one. It's cool. I kind of like that there, but man, I can't find them this small. These knobs are tiny. They're only like 3/4 of an inch across that face and like 5/8 of an inch from the face to the back of the stem. And these are my knobs. Again, I think they're made out of desert ironwood. Really hard stuff, man. Looks cool. The camera's just not doing it really much justice, but that's them. And